Take you, Alalain, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good time and in bad.
We are actually asking God to bless our relationship as husband and wife.
Alalain, take you, Victor, to be my husband.
Bukas, married ka na.
Nakasal ka na.
We take Alalain here present as your lawful wife according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, I do.
The greatest love that we can give is actually when we are ready to lay down our life for the sake of our beloved.
Ano, magkikit ka na?
Married ka na, baka huwag.
Habang maaga pa. Itakas ka na namin.
Alam din nila. Bakit?
All beauty, ever ancient, kapit-bahay pala ang patutunguhan ko. Pumunta pa ako ng Mindanao. Kung saan ako napadako, ay kapit-bahay pala ang kantong ko.
Hayaang alalayan papunta sa lugar kung saan ikaw at ako ang tanging
For better, for worse, in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Iya'y nawala ng mahagahan at biglang natanong sa aking sarili.
Baka mag-kiss yan! Baka mag-kiss!
Ito na ba ang panahong pinapangarap lang noon? Ako'y nararahoy, ngunit kapato, ba't ganon? No.
Victor and Alalain, you should all the more and every day of your life, every moment of your life, entrust everything to God.
Oh, ikaw ang pinakamagandang dalaga na aking nasilayan.
Mga sa araw nito, akin pong ipinapangako na ang aking makakasama sa habang buhay ay lubos kong poprotektahan at igagalang. Allah, let's move forward. I love you.
Hanggang dulo pa rin sana ang sabik sa isa't isa. Lagi ng tingin ay di mawawala sa tuwing kapiling kita. Hawakan mo ako
Bakit nakikiramay? Nakikiramay kasi mamamatay na yung pagiging dalaga nila, pagiging binata nila that they are going to together forge this marriage.